Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So for today's video, this is going to be for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If you have been tagged, then this means that this video is also for you. Okay, for being one of my top lifters. So let's see, Page of Wands, maybe may hinihintay kang update or news from someone na nasa malayo. Maybe papauwi pa lang siya, tapos pag nagkita kayo, pag-uusapan nyo yung kung ano man dapat yung pag-usapan. Pwede ring someone is sponsoring you to settle somewhere else, like abroad, ganyan. Or maybe there's a big possibility na you're going to receive good news regarding a child, like maybe merong nabuntis, meron ng kakapanganak lang, or maybe parang merong achievement ang isang bata na close sa'yo. It could be anything. But mainly the issue is yung incompetitiveness, parang nagawa ng paraan. Let's say hindi nag-excel sa school yung bata, ngayon honored student na, or pwede ring parang tawag dito, meron siyang skill set, or pwedeng ikaw meron kang skill set na hindi mo alam kung competitive ka ba enough for a specific goal. Tas maybe yung Page of Wands is yung good news na may naipasa ka ng certification or nag-go through ka ng training, na appreciate yung efforts mo and you can step up to the next level. Now, what do you need to focus on mainly is Six of Cups, yung past mo. Maybe itong good news na to, this is something na connected sa past mo. Or from someone from your past na parang finally it's materialized now, na ma-manifest mo na parang you should be grateful. And at the same time, siguro I'm seeing someone praying in a church. So maybe meron kang pinangako sa simbahan na pag ito nakuha ko, pag ito na-achieve ko, I don't know, maybe ipapagawa mo yung simbahan sa inyo. Or maybe magdo-donate ka na malaki. Or maybe meron kang pag-aaralin na anak ng kakilala mo sa church. It could be anything na pinangako mo nung pinupunteriya mo pa lang to. And now that you're being given the good news about it, parang nire-remind ka na kung ano man yung pinangako mo before, parang gawin mo. Huwag mong kakalimutan. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome for you, Ace of Wands reversed. Marami pang new ideas na paparating, marami pang new contracts, new opportunities na paparating after mong ma-accomplish to. Okay, bottom of the deck is Ace of Pentacles. It will provide money or a steady source of income. Or maybe this is something na, kasi yung ones service-based na activity or job or career. So maybe by doing this and doing as you promised, maybe you're going to attract people who are ready to provide you with finances, materials, contacts, para mas maging tuloy-tuloy pa ang goal mo. Okay? So that's for you. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message. Okay? Bye.